Hi everyone, this is Dave Giuliano from the GhostHunter store, testing out our new high-definition camcorder. Records directly to SD memory cards. It's full spectrum and 1080p high definition. This is what the camera looks like with just infrared lighting. Some people prefer to use just infrared cameras. You can see there are my infrared cameras in the store. This is what a full spectrum camera just using infrared lights will look like, because you're just seeing only infrared. I have a full spectrum illuminator, the Vortex full spectrum illuminator attached. Now I turn that on, now you can see how this camera records in complete darkness with an attached full spectrum illuminator. This is the new full spectrum camcorder, high definition, 1080p high definition. Available only at the GhostHunter store.